बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन हरिभक्तन की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, धामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, सपार सद्गौर हरि की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। श्रीमद् प्रेम भक्ति चंद्रिका श्री नरोत्तम ठाकुर। Before is Srila Gurupad Padma and Vaishnavas mercy with this, all are is hearing. You are anybody taking Diksha after gone Vaishnavas near, Bhaktas near. Then Bhaktas, Vaishnavas near going, then like is one gardener, nice cleaning this garden and then planting, plowing, cleaning, farming, watering, then he is planting seed. Similar Vaishnavas, this is duty. How can they understanding Guru Padma and Guru Mantra, how can chanting and how, which process they following, how praying and Harinam, how seriously they chanting, how they will be advanced. Therefore, Vaishnavas, this program. They are not telling you are now perfect. You taking Diksha means you are now Vaishnava, you are qualified. Not the telling, no cheating, no there is kicking. How? Therefore saying, Krishneti Jaisyagirim, Tang Manasadriya. Anybody chanting Harinam fast, came Vaishnavas near, Vaishnava what is doing? Mindly liking them and respecting them, but not outside and giving announcement, you are great, you are Vaishnava, you are Bhakta, you are devotee, you are higher authority, not telling. Otherwise, sweet talking, then this is called cheat. They cannot cheating. Respecting outside, no. Why they know this farmhouse now farming for necessary. Now many grass is green. This grasses and jungle and throne is not enough. Necessary plowing, all taking out. Like giving example, two persons came. One, this harmonium master near. Master is asking, you have desire learning this harmonium? Say yes. Then one say, I have practiced last 3 years. One say, I don't know anything. Saregama Pana, I don't know anything. Okay. Then asking anybody, one person 3 years continuously practicing. He is near asking, you giving me 3,000 rupees per month. Then I teaching you. And one person telling, I don't know anything. Oh, he say, okay, only 300 rupees you per month giving. That person very disturbed. I know I have practiced 3 years. And you are asking 3,000 rupees. And the new person 300 only. Say yes, the new person don't know anything. I am teaching anything, he is practicing, he is following. And you learning many things is wrong. That hard working labor which is I am forgetting, washing you. And 3 months, 6 months, I need is hard work. After I am teaching you my this Gandharvas all program. People, many people, so-called qualified, they have many understanding. They came Guru Vaishnavas near, like a green garden, grasses, jungle and throne. And there are no any flowers. Flowers and jungle flowers, bad smell. Then there first is cutting, digging, plowing, all roots, digging and throwing out. Otherwise this garden impossible is next is making nice. Any roots, they are to growing more. Therefore they hard working. And then new garden making. There is jasmine, rose, any belly, chameli, nice flowers, they planting. Before green grass, ordinary people have no understanding. What is the Vaishnavism? What is the bhakti? What is the meaning of bhajan? They thinking, I am gone Guru's near, taking Diksha mantra, now I am very respected, I am very higher authority now, and my conclusion, my understanding, everything, they giving classes, lectures, many things, Shastra, some sloka, they learning, collecting, some Guru Vargas classes they collecting, they keeping nearby, but they have no realization. They cannot researching, and they cannot understanding anything. They are not changes nature. They not crossing in Maya. They not connected and related within this Hari Guru Vaishnava and pure this devotion for. Now they know some slok, yes, some Vaishnava rule regulations, they know, they try to follow, but very proud, lot of prouds they have, and they not feelings, not realizing, but they speaking, there is problems. Guru Vaishnavas near come and they telling, you stop your business fast. This is not is helpful for you and anybody. First, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all own persons with his starting one house inside his Sankirtanam. After Sankirtanam, there Mahaprabhu long time not giving entrance anybody. Bhaktas are the Nam Sankirtan with his, Harinam Prabhu with his, get relation, and after Namras, they are drinking that tasteful rasa, they are now for greedy. Other knowledge and sense they have no. Now complete observed there, involved there. Then Mahaprabhu say, yes, now you go distributing. Apani achari dharma shikamu sabare. Apani na koile dharma shikano na jai. No, you are practicing in your life. You are not going Guru Vaishnavas near. They are near to you, not taking clearance. And after you clearance which is going, then you cannot forget your this rasamaya bhakti. Otherwise, your nature which is going here and there, preaching and helping, and try to controlling, nobody will be controlled with us. Nobody hearing, then no practicing, practicing then no realization coming. Like saying, Sriyasati Bhakti Mudasyati Vivo, Klesanti Je Keval Bodha Labdaye, Tesamaso Klesalaiva Sisyate, Danya Jatha Tura Dusavaghatinam. On her spot, one person, day and night is machine inside is giving, and too much working, with his grinder, with his grinding, but there are no grains, only husk. Similar, no Vaishnavas near not gone, no these things. Try to understand Guru Mantra and Guru Bhakti, Harinam, Nam Prabhu's glories, no relation, no practicing, then everything will be so called. Long time after Nam Prabhu's mercy with his, then will be Sadhu Sangha. Then Sadhus near to, then the collecting. What? This. Strength, energy, power, taste. No taste, then sometime following. No energy, then I am weak. One day Harinam chanting, next day no, mala. Sometimes serving, running, but after no. And thing is, sometime after day, thing is mundane. Bogus program this. No energy. No, there are no power. Power is no connected. Therefore, Vaishnava near is going. Vaishnava Bhakta first is digging and testing, checking where is this person, what is position, what is this now nature and program. After the telling, oh, you now seriously chanting some Harinam and this mantra chanting for teaching this process all process chanting, teaching. People, Vaishnavas near going, then is very hard. Guru Pad Brahma, Harinam Diksha after, he is sending. Go, Bhaktas near, devotees near, Vaishnavas near. But, Chhadiya Vaishnava Seva, Nishtayar Pesi Keva. Mahabhagavat Vaishnavas near is coming. They are then training for giving you a course. This course not following and not then progress. Krishnati Joshyagirim Tong Manasadviyet Diksha Sichet Prantavisya. Diksha meaning Dibba Gyan, transcendental knowledge. Sometime chanting Harinam, serving Vaishnavas, Kirtan, program everything. After thinking they are not happy, they are not giving respect, they have no love. I am going ordinary people near, they are too much respecting me. They are liking me. They are hearing my all classes. They are good for me. But I am gone there near, also Sangha, their association, their food, lodge, house, everything which is, now I am attached. Now, no more I like is Dham and Vaishnava. After some days, I have lost everything. Therefore say Asant Sangha Tegair Vaishnavachar. So Diksha Sichet, Diksha meaning Dibba Gyan. Vaishnava is telling, you have this transcendental knowledge, you are speaking, you are following, practicing in life, then you speaking anything. And why you have jealousy, why you are insulting? You have lot of time, this is bogus. Vaishnava as it is doing operation. Diksha Sichet Prantavisya. But pure Diksha meanings appointed, related and there, that places is present. Not going distance to his Diksha. Meanings Harinam, Guru Seva, Dham, they are not going far away. Little bit. Diksha meaning Sambandha Gyan, relationship. Otherwise, I have no relationship within God family, Guru Vaishnavas, then I am running here and there. And the running, and there too, I am trying to come back, not possible. I will never try. So, Diksha meanings, Vaishnavas then telling. Only mantra taking, this is not everything. Krishna Dikshadi Shikshanam. Krishna Diksha after necessary Shiksha, training. Training is more strong, more serious than Diksha mantra, your nearest will be present. Meanings all mantra devata will be with you present. Guru mantra, then Guru Swarup coming your near. Krishna mantra, Krishna Swarup coming your near. Gaur mantra, Gaur Swarup coming. How understanding? Then taste coming. More greediness coming. Oh, I am staying Holy Dham, I am staying Vaishnavas near. Otherwise distance, then remembering, worshipping, praying. And mantra devata serving for desire coming. Very tasteful, then energy not lost. Not will be hopeless. Not weakness coming. No disturbance coming. Then Diksha meanings Dibba Gyan, transcendental knowledge. That knowledge meanings only not theory, thesis. Practically practicing for you will be able, active. And no active, no able, then this is not, now not complete Diksha. After Diksha mantra chanting and Diksha Guru is near, present meaning Guru Padma, eternal Swarup with is coming on nearby. Then anything is doing for him, this will be perfect. কি ভজনে কিসনে কিবা জাগরণে অহরণে চিন্ত কৃষ্ণ বলবদনে. Then thinking, I am doing this, my Guru Maharaj will be happy, I know. He is pleased, I know. Everything's time he memorizing, remember coming, everything. Eating, then sleeping, then chanting Harinam, then. The Guru Mantra, Guru non-different. And I am not distant to him. This knowledge coming. But I am running other personas near, shelter for. And they are preserves for, I am doing many things. This is not Guru's Diksha. I am then other personas, disciple, followers. Mind followers, senses followers, yeah, other personas followers. Therefore telling this harmonium master, oh, new person, no problem. I am telling anything he is following. And another one, 3 years, 6 years practice, he cannot follow it. He is thinking, I am good, I am right. The Vaishnavas near came. Vaishnava is fast, is checking. What is my position? Where am I? What next my program? Then telling Narottam Thakur is saying, he is saying, anybody take Diksha, then Vaishnava Charanenu, Bhusan Koryatonu, Jahavite Anubhav Hoy. Vaishnavas near coming, they are fiddas, smearing in body and decorating within Bhaktas order and desire, and they are near to taking training, then they are crossing in Maya. After that Vaishnavas near to, they are collecting what? Prem Bhaktis or rule regulations. Hearing and very tasteful. And then no drinking anything smooth. And telling this Vaishnava's mercy with his all limitation, all any other desire, everything will be off. Why? They are my guardian and protector. Now they are giving me this pure nectar. Then why I will be disturbed? Narottam Thakur next is saying Bhakti Siddhanta coming. Vaishnava Niyati. Very strong Siddhanta. And that rule regulations following for desire coming. Like Kaviraj Goswami writing, Siddhanta boliya chitte nakar alos, iha hoite Krishna lage sudura manos. Oh, Siddhanta, I am followers of Prema Bhakti. No need any rule, regulations, any shastras, order and this and that. Prema Bhakti, not very easy things. Prema Bhakti, Bhakti is with his love, Prem. How? This Bhakti, not Desh Bhakti, no Matri Bhakti, no Pitri Bhakti, no Samaj Bhakti, no any other form. This Bhakti Devi is everything I am using. Where? Which purpose? For whom? I have softness, sweetness, Guru Varga giving a chance, but this one where using? Vaishnava is saying, God, holy name chanting, mantra chanting, heart will be very soft, very sweet, kindness coming. Then kindness time, I am now one dog puppy taking, or you are also Krishna's Bhakta. And one kitten, one goat, one piglet, everybody telling you are also Krishna Bhakta. Krishna is staying in your heart. I am serving them. helping them. But any Vaishnava coming, I am telling this is so called. I am respecting them, touching their feet, taking their dust, hearing their Harikatha. No. No, this piglet is good. This dog puppy is very good. And I am going, I am missing them. They crying and weeping. One parrot, good for me. So this soft heart, kindness, I am now using, misusing. That things I am using for only God and God family members, for any other things coming and cheating me, taking me distance to God and God holy name. I am now chanting Harinam, then Guru Mantra, Guru not coming, that dog puppy coming. My memories. Sleeping, then I am watching this movie, dog is playing, how my dear dog, then I am involved with there. Meaning this is example only. My position. I am now telling any other things, they will be disturbed. But I am so dream, what? Day and night. Where I am thinking, who is great Vaishnava? But you are great Vaishnava, near and thinking about him, then automatic God himself coming. And that knowledge coming, Siddhanta coming. All purity coming. And ordinary people near is going, I will be attached and attacked and arrested there. There too I cannot come, bring back my heart. They are pulling me and arresting me, binding me, tying me. They are too not possible come out. More than jail. Small one baby, born, smiling and taking lap, looking face, taking pictures, giving candy, and very soft body, touching, very sweet. Then, slow and slow, like silkworm, this silkworm, this name, and that one, slow and slow, tying on self. Similar, I am in Vaishnavas near not present. My chanting mantra and Harinam, heart is very soft. Then I am like tying myself. With one baby, next baby, you are my grandson, you are my granddaughter, you are my this helper. But there is cheating. Then I can't come back then. Vaishnava is then seriously doing operation. Telling this is dangerous, poisonous, more than a snake. Don't put in your neck. They are biting you. Poison giving you all time. Not his baby. This is. Baby to come baby. But baby is, now is demon. Stealing nature. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's time, he has one bhakta. He is every day chanting Harinam, Guru Mantra, worshiping with Gopal. Wife, marriage and wife came, say I am also your helper, your friend. Okay? Then you are worshiping Gopal? Yes. Some days after born one baby. Say this Gopal giving another Gopal. Both are Gopal will be friends. Yes, no problem. But one day he is gone little far away. He say you are worshiping Gopal and cooking, offering bhoga. Then that ladies say yes. He is gone, come back evening, asking you cook? No. Offering Gopal? No. Serving? No. Doing archan? No. What are you doing? Why you, this Gopal worshipping, that Gopal worshipping. What doing? I have no time. Okay. Now you know like my Gopal. Okay. Your Gopal is tomorrow morning before he will be die. Then good. Then she is crying. Say no more. After morning before baby is dead, and say yes. Now is worshipping Gopal, you have time now. Devaki Mata, near is one son, two son, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are dead. Cons of killing all. Then no more moha. Then Krishna Baldev for affection. Before Ganga Devi, Santanu is near. Son is born, throwing Ganga. Next one, throwing. 7 son is throwing. After one son is born, Bhishma, meaning name is Devabrata. Then he is taking, okay, I am taking this one. I cannot give you permission for throwing. Okay, you like your son, I am going now. God give any presentation, I like, but no like God. God with no relation, no connection, no affection, no attachment. God anything is giving, then this thing very sweet, very tasteful. Then test exam time, I am fail. My mind is where? Where am I? The Vaishnava is telling truthful and as it is, direct person. And not doing farmhouse growing grains, no, only grasses and jungle. Bogus. The Bhakta devotee taking Diksha Harinam after coming Vaishnavas near, and Vaishnavas there is Diksha Chitte Prantivisya Bhajantivisham Sususya Bhajanavijya Mananyamanyam. Next is how understanding his Vaishnava. I am offering him in pranam and I am serving him. He is bhajan vigya. He is near, I am present, then I will be ananya manya, appointed within bhakti. No more desire going here and there. Guru mantra, Harinam, seriously running. And Shiva for desire coming. No misguide, no misunderstanding. Never hopeless. And that Sususha Shiva with his progress coming. And Nindadi Sunnam, Ipsitam Sangalabda. Then Vaishnava Sangha with his, then desire coming. Who is great Vaishnava? Never insulting, never guilty, blame and other things, collection. No. He is collecting only Brahma Bhakti Riti. That Vaishnava Sangha for then pray coming. This is Narottam Thakur is writing. Jugal Kishore Prem, Lakhabana Janahim, Hanadhan Prakashila Jara, Jaya Rupa Sanatan, Deha More Premadhan, Seratan Muraga Lehara. Narottam Thakur praying. That Vaishnava, Mahabhagavat, Rup Sanatan, Ya Guru Varga, their near is going. Then Madhurasa, Brajarasa for, Bhakti for, then desire is increasing. No more tension, no more disturbance. Savan Kirtan for desire coming. And without Savan Kirtan cannot wasting time. And then the sadhan will be very perfect. And telling Parananda Hoy Chitti, following Bhakti, very happy, very sweet. And favorable all will be this place and all position, all this society will be very sweet. Nobody against them. They are very helpful. I am in Vijaya class. Say, oh, starting Kirtan, Bhaktas are coming, then class running. Okay, one devotee alone, then not doing Namsam Kirtan. Bhaktas are coming, starting Kirtan, he is come out and dancing. And starting Kirtan. Achha, no, Mahaprasad, today I am not eating anything. Who is cooking, who is bringing marketing, who is offering bhoga, mindly I am offering bhoga. But many Bhakta devotee came, then already, then desire coming for cooking, arranging, collecting. So Krishna himself sending Vaishnavas near, Bhaktas near, devotees near, then arranging very sweet all program. Then the thinking, Nagoni apano dukkha, sabivan sitara sukha, tar sukha amar tatparja, more dile dukkha, taro ilama sukha, say dukkha, mora sukha bharja. Because they are never thinking oneself. Never they are disturbed. They are Krishna Seva for. All time busy. How? Then saying, Krishna Sukh, Chesta, Mano Vyavahar, Krishna Vina, Arsab, Pari Parityag, Krishna Sukh Hetu Kare, Suddha Anurag, অতএব কান্ত সেবাত সুখপুর সঙ্গম হইতে সুমধুর ব্রজদেব all desire this coming. This mantra and Harinam seriously chanting for all favorable, everything is increasing. But sadhu sangha, this sadhu sangha meanings God near is praying, Guru's near is praying, who will be my good tutor, good helper in lifetime and million life. Brahma is praying. Tadastu menato vaturi bhaga bhave atrava unnatra tuva tirasyam jenaham ekopi bhavet jananam buddha nisibe taupada pallavam. Kitajanma ho jata tuma das bohirmukha brahma janme nahi aas. I am will be worms and small germs, the animal. Anywhere I get birth, no problem. But I like bhakta, sadhu sangha. Otherwise, no sadhu sangha, then no help, problem, loss, everything. Early morning, Mangalarti, Nishanta Lila, yeah, any bhajan, bhaktis, all program, not possible is running. Ekaki amar nahi paye bol Harinam Sankirtan. Tumi kripa kore Shraddha bindu diya Deho Krishna namo. Then ekaki alone is not possible. Therefore Guru Varga arranging this program. Society, unity, committee, great personality. Then is temple, ashram, Matanti, Vasanti Chhatra. This Guru Vaishnavas, this Seva for all group. Bhagavad Shastra Marma, Navida Bhakti Dharma, Sadai Koriba Suseban, Anya Devasra Nai, Tomare Kohila Bhai, Ei Bhakti Parama Bhajan. Vaishnavas then every day, Bhagavad meanings. Bhagavad two types of Grantha Bhagavad, Shastra Bhagavad, Bhakta Bhagavad. Bhakta Bhagavad who is great, who has understanding, realization that Bhagavad, Mahabhagavad near, how can going, respecting, how they are near to collecting this heartfelt, loveful Bhakti's program. Vaishnavas near to not collecting, no understanding program, then now progress coming. Like one student going school and he is meeting with his first class students, his class fellow. Then his every year is first class, first result is taking. He is now greedy. I will be like. I am also going. I am also reading, learning. I will be fast. So Vaishnavas near, Mahabhagat near, staying. They chanting Harinam. They early morning waking. They are all bhaktis, rule regulations following. Then they are with this. Then desire coming. Oh, I will be like. I am doing or following also bhakti, smooth. And Bhagavad, Grantha Bhagavad meanings, and Bhakta Bhagavad, who is serious, who is higher, they are near going, respecting. And how understanding Bhakta, they following this Navida Bhakti. They not lazy, crazy. Sadhu never lazy, crazy. Taking one mala and sitting on places, can do anything. This is not his Bhakta's rule, Sadhaka's rule. Sadhaka will be very advanced. Navida Bhakti, they following. And also another, their professional service, what? No going and demigods. Preachers for helping for, yeah, worshipping for. No other demigods with his relation. Why you know? Demigods are giving bribe. Chandi, Jogmaya, Chandi, yeah, Bhavani, Shivani, Kamakhya, Rudrani, and others worshipping demigods, they are giving you bribe. Then is problem. This bribe is not his good. And they giving mundane many help, wealth, health. Then come my near, then all are will be very busy. No time for Harinam chanting. Any other demigods near not going, not to shelter. Bhakti is appointed and very secret. Otherwise, mind will be dirty. Savan Kirtan not will be fixed. Nartan Thakur, they have to sing. Sadhaka, clean heart with his all time bhaktis. Or rule regulations following. And that bhaktas position is telling उत्तम होइया अपना के माने त्रिनाधम दुई प्रकार सहिष्णुता करे वृक्ष सम वृक्ष जन काटिल किछु ना बोलय सुखाइला महिले कारे पानी ना मागय जे मांगे तारे दया बंधन धर्म दृष्टि सहायनेर करे रक्षण उत्तम होइया वैष्णव हबे निरभिमान जीवे सम्मान दिविदानी कृष्ण अधिष्ठान এই মত হইয়া যেই কৃষ্ণ নাম লয় কৃষ্ণের চরণে তার প্রেম উপজয় any great Vaishnav या Mahabhagavat how they are patient, they tolerate everything. Anybody insulting, yet torturing, they are not disturbed. Anybody complaining, giving blame, telling you are fallen soul, no problem. They are not forget Harinam, no going distance to seva. And how are they? Anybody disturbing, but they are also giving bless and mercy. Harinam, Harikatha, they non-stop. And everybody is giving respect. Anybody too much insulting, but they are came, giving respect and giving them all types of help. And why? They are no God desire with this, everything is running. My duty, service, Harinam, Harikatha, Hariseva, then I will be involved, then I am going distance to my seva. Therefore, Urdhvav Karika hai, Sun Sarvalok, Nam Sutri Gati Path Karo, Kanthe Ei Lok, Srok, Prabhu Rajya Karo Ei Srok Acharan, Avasya Paibe Dabe, Shri Krishna Charan. Mahaprabhu saying, oh, these verses is remembering all time. Every day you chanting this Harinam, Harinam not will be less. And after this Harinam, and then everything will be as it is. Harinam is fast aid and fast read. Without Harinam, you can't do anything. Mahaprabhu is here with this. Bhaktas are now every day following this Nam Sankirtanam. Nama Kirtana Parityagena Smaranam Kurjat. Somebody is saying, okay, Nam Kirtan not possible, I am doing Smaran. Sitting and closing eyes, I am thinking. But sleep is coming 2 minutes after. Otherwise, you are coming, million your balance. All coming one by serial by. Nam Sankirtanam, like mind is disturbed, then loudly chanting. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare, and fast, too fast. Not giving gap, 1 minute per. You are disturbing, I am disturbing also. Meaning, you are coming many, sending many balance, my previous, okay, I can't accept. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Rama, 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 Hare. Oh, fast is running. How can be back to us going and catching you and pulling you? Impossible. Why? I have balance. The coming my near. Hey, don't let me. You can change Harinam. You remembering me. I am coming you near. I am a good friend. He said, no. Hari bol, Hare Krishna. I know like you more. Yeah. This time is big fight. This is called battle place. No chanting Harinam. They are very happy. They are not disturbing. Starting Guru Mantra, then back to attacking in you. This side to, this side to, this side to, that side to, everywhere to coming. After not mentally, physically coming. Like Haridas Thakur, not disturbing anybody. No going anywhere this near. This lady prostitute came, then cloth wearing first, after wearing one cloth, after opening down cloth, and she is rolling, she is dancing and showing. Haridas Thakur not inviting? Why come? Only ladies came, also many gents come, many enemy came, against come, but Haridas Thakur say, I am now Nirbandha Krishna Sambandha, Nirbandhinimati, I can't do anything more, I have no time, I have no other business, I am chanting. Then, how long they disturbing? How long waiting? I am running fast within Hare Krishna. Then there is back to how? Shooting and arrow, pushing, hook, poking, not possible. All then fail, repeated again. But I am looking back, this side, this side, this side, this side, then I am involved with these things, then not Harinam. Therefore, sadhaka, first time is training for, the practicing for, sitting in front of Guru Vaishnavas, your pictures, Gopal, Girdhari, Jagannath, Gopinath, Niya, and fast chanting. Anything is coming? Oh, no giving more 1 minute chance. Hare Krishna, then Hare Krishna. Gaur Krishna, then Gaur Krishna. Radhe Krishna, then Radhe Krishna. No other Krishna with any person. Then more or not is possible. Sadhaka first time. No kamayanyam, tapad sevanam, akinchana partham, tamat viparam vibo, aradya kastam, apavarga hari, brinta arjo, brahmatmana bandhatam. Murti darshan, Sri Murti. Any British Vigraha going there, front of doing Nam Kirtan. And Sri Murti Parikrama. And Anubrajya. Rajatra, a program, going back, Kirtan with this. And temple going, and then Ganga, bathing. And Purushottam, Jagannath, they are going. And they are staying. Holidham. Dwarka Mathura, going. Why? There is my all desire will be less. All opulence, they are stealing and taking. All enjoy, recreation mode, they are taking. They are cleaning. They are power, they are authority, authorized they are. Harinam chanting for now, giving this instruction, and tomorrow, next is hearing, next program.